Daily word list. Tenuous, adjective.
Slight, insubstantial, negligible, weak/shaky, doubtful, dubious, questionable, vague, unspecific, indefinite.
Revival, noun.
Improvement, rallying, picking up, re-establishment, reintroduction, restoration.
Vaccination, noun.
Treatment with a vaccine to protect against a particular disease, immunization.
Sustain, verb.
Support, give strength to, prop up, keep up, bolster up.
National Statistical Office, NSO, noun.
The Ministry of Statistics and the Department of Program Implementation has two wings, one relating to statistics and the other program implementation. The statistics wing, called the National Statistical Office, NSO, gives considerable importance to coverage and quality aspects of statistics released in the country. The statistics released are based on administrative sources, surveys and censuses conducted by the center and state governments, and non-official sources and studies.
Posit, verb.
Put forward, set forth, present, propose.
Footing, noun.
Basis, base, foundation, underpinning, support.
Quarter, noun.
A period of 3 months, considered as 1/4 of a year.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Hit, verb.
Affect badly, damage, have a negative impact on.
Gross domestic product, GDP, noun.
A measure of economic activity in a country. It is the total value of a country's annual output of goods and services.
Fiscal year, noun.
Financial year.
Acceleration, noun.
Increase, rise, in number.
Preceding, adjective.
Previous, prior, earlier.
Marginally, adverb.
Slightly, a little, a bit, to some degree.
Soften, verb.
Decrease, lessen, diminish.
Contraction, noun.
In economics, it refers to a decline in national output as measured by gross domestic product, shrinking, decline, decrease.
Project, verb.
Forecast, predict, estimate, calculate.
Contract, verb.
Decline, decrease, diminish, reduce.
Gross value added, GVA, noun.
It is a measure of total output and income in the economy. It provides the rupee value for the amount of goods and services produced in an economy after deducting the cost of inputs and raw materials that have gone into the production of those goods and services. It also gives a sector-specific picture, like what is the growth in an area, industry, or sector of an economy. On the other hand, GDP or gross domestic product is a measure of economic activity in a country. It is the total value of a country's annual output of goods and services.
Broad, core, sector, noun.
The 8 industries comprising electricity, steel, refinery products, crude oil, coal, cement, natural gas, and fertilizers are classified as broad, core, sector industries.
Mining, noun.
The extraction of valuable minerals, for example iron ore, or other geological materials, for example coal, from the earth.
Quarrying, noun.
The process of removing rock, sand, gravel or other minerals from the ground in order to use them to produce materials for construction or other uses.
Worst hit, adjective.
Affected severely.
Intensive, adjective / usually in combination.
In business, concentrating on a particular thing.
Omnibus, noun / adjective.
The Latin word literally meaning for all, consisting of several parts / items.
Crushing, adjective.
Embarrassing, humiliating, disconcerting, disappointing.
Forestry, noun.
Forest management, forest planting, tree growing / forestation.
Private consumption or consumption expenditure, noun.
The spending by households, consumers, on goods and services, excluding new housing.
Rebound, verb.
Recover, rally, pick up.
Expansion, noun.
Increase, growth, development.
Moderate, verb.
Lessen, decrease, lower, reduce, control, regulate.
Fixed capital formation, noun.
The process of a firm increasing its stock of fixed capital, i.e. capital invested in fixed assets such as buildings, equipment, and machinery.
Gross fixed capital formation, GFCF, noun.
Formally gross domestic investment. Gross fixed capital formation is essentially a net investment. It is a component of the expenditure method of calculating GDP. To be more precise, gross fixed capital formation measures the net increase in fixed capital.
Proxy, noun.
A figure that can be used to represent the value of something in a calculation.
Jump, verb.
Rise, increase, go up, soar, surge.
Measure, noun.
Portion, quantity, amount.
Capital spending / capital expenditure, noun.
The money spent on the acquisition of assets like land, buildings, machinery, equipment, as well as investment in shares.
In perspective, phrase.
Judge a particular thing's real importance by considering it in relation to everything else.
Ground, noun.
Reason, cause, basis, factor.
Surge, noun.
Sudden increase or rise of something.
Correlate, verb.
Connect, associate, relate.
On the ground, phrase.
In a situation / place where things are happening really / practically.
Traction, noun.
Momentum, purchase, popularity.
IHS Markit, noun.
It is a global leader in information, analytics and solutions for the major industries and markets that drive economies worldwide. It partners with clients in business, finance and government to help them see the big picture with unrivaled insights that lead to well-informed, confident decisions.
Purchasing Managers Index, noun.
Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, is a monthly business survey data provided by IHS Markit. The monthly data are derived from surveys of senior executives at private sector companies. PMI data is used for accurate and timely insight into the health of a particular economy. The PMI data are used by financial and corporate professionals to better understand where economies and markets are headed, and to uncover opportunities.
Prospect, noun.
Possibility, chance, probability, likelihood.
Stagnation, noun.
Lack of activity/development.
Weakening, adjective.
Reducing, decreasing, lessening.
Provisional, adjective.
Temporary, interim, transitional, preliminary.
Bulwark, noun.
Support, protection, guard, mainstay, cornerstone.
Account for, phrasal verb.
Constitute, comprise, form, represent.
Refinitiv, noun.
Refinitiv is one of the world's largest providers of financial markets data and infrastructure. They provide information, insights, and technology that enable customers to execute critical investing, trading and risk decisions with confidence.
Ipsos, noun.
Global leader in market research, Ipsos delivers reliable information and true understanding of society, markets, and people. Their solutions use data from surveys, polls, social media or qualitative, and provide actionable insights into the experience and opinions of citizens, consumers, patients, customers, employees.
Refinitiv Ipsos Primary Consumer Sentiment Index, noun.
It provides insight into how consumers feel about current and future economic conditions, intentions and expectations. The index measures 11 key conditions as perceived by primary consumers in 24 countries to deliver the most comprehensive data set available on consumer sentiment.
Tumble, verb.
Fall, decline, slump, decrease.
Percentage point, noun.
The difference between two percentages is termed as percentage point. For example, interest rates jumped from 10% to 12%. In this case, the interest rate increased by 2 percentage points, or you can say that the interest rate is increased by 20%.
Depress, verb.
Slow down, slow up, reduce, deflate.
Respondent, noun.
A person who replies to something, questionnaire, etc.
Outlook, noun.
Prospects, expectations, expectancy, chances, hopes.
Front, noun.
A particular sphere of activity/operation.
Unabated, adjective.
Non-stop, never-ending, steady, uninterrupted.
Center for Monitoring Indian Economy Private Limited, noun.
CME, or Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, is a leading business information company. It was established in 1976, primarily as an independent think tank. Think tank is a panel of experts who provide advice and ideas on political, social or economic issues.
Accelerated, adjective.
Hastened, expedited, quickened.
Ravage, verb.
Devastate, ruin, destroy, wreak havoc on, damage.
Vaccine, noun.
A biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease.
Rollout, noun.
Official launch/introduction.
Measure, noun.
Action, step, procedure.
Backslide, verb.
Weaken, relapse, deteriorate.